Disclosure: this educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably wrestling with one of the biggest hurdles for new creators, hitting that magic number of 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. It can feel like climbing a mountain, right? But trust me, it's totally achievable. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do it. So, grab a notebook, because you're going to want to write this down. First things first, let's get one myth out of the way. You don't need a viral video that gets millions of views overnight. While that would be nice, key to 4,000 hours is consistency in building a library of content that people actually want to watch. Think about it. 4,000 hours is 240,000 minutes. If you have 100 videos, and each one gets just 10 minutes of watch time on average, you're already at 1,000 minutes per video. The more quality videos you have, the more assets you have working for you 24/7 to accumulate those hours. So, the first step is to commit to a consistent upload schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, just stick to it. Now, let's talk about the type asterisk of content. Longer videos are your best friend when it comes to watch hours. A 15-minute video has a much higher potential to earn watch time than a 3-minute one. Pourtant, this is a big boutet. Has to be engaging for the entire duration. Don't just stretch a 5-minute idea into a 15-minute video. Instead, create content that naturally lends itself to a longer format. Think in-depth tutorials, detailed reviews, top 10 lists, long-form interviews, or even documentary-style videos. Plan your videos with a strong hook at the beginning, valuable content in the middle, and a satisfying conclusion. Keep your audience engaged, and they'll reward you with their time. One of the most powerful, yet underutilized, tools for boosting watch hours is the playlist. When someone finishes one of your videos, what happens next? If you don't guide them, YouTube might suggest a video from a completely different channel. Don't let that happen. Create strategic playlists that group your related videos together. For example, if you have a channel about gardening, create a playlist called Beginner Gardening Tips or Spring Planting Guide. When a viewer finishes one video in this series, the next one automatically starts playing. This is called session time, and it's a huge factor for the YouTube algorithm. It keeps viewers on your channel longer, skyrocketing your watch hours. Another fantastic strategy is to go live. YouTube live streams are a goldmine for watch time. If you stream for 1 hour and have just 20 people watching you live the entire time, that's 20 hours of watch time right there. Plus, the replay of the live stream will continue to collect watch hours long after you've gone offline. You can do Q&A sessions, live tutorials, gameplay, or just hang out with your community. Finally, you need to analyze your data. Go into your YouTube studio and look at your analytics, specifically your audience retention reports. This graph shows you exactly where viewers are dropping off in your videos. Are they leaving in the first 30 seconds? Maybe your intro is too slow. Is there a big dip in the middle? Maybe that segment was boring. Use this data to understand what's working and what's not. Double down on the formats and topics that hold your viewers' attention the longest. Improving your average view duration by even 30 seconds across all your videos can make a monumental difference. So, to recap, create a consistent library of content. Focus on longer, high-value videos. Use playlists to guide your viewers. Leverage the power of live streams and analyze your data to constantly improve. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But with these strategies, you're not just running. You're running with a map. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips to grow your channel. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. See you in the next one.